How to connect your Bluetooth from your mobile phone to your Porsche interface. First thing you want to do is make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Once your Bluetooth is turned on, you want to make sure that you head over to the phone's icon over here. It will then instruct you to insert a SIM card or to connect a phone via Bluetooth. Click on Connect Phone and then you want to search for a new device. It's found the device, you just tap onto Connect. It's going to show a verification code. You simply then pair on your mobile phone. It will then ask you, do you want to allow access to the SIM card so you can make phone calls and get your text messages, allow contacts, so when the phone rings, it will show you your contact details on the display. Click allow, and then finally messages, allow again. This will allow your phone messages to come through and the interface to read it out to you. You can then select whether you want the data connection to be shared as well, allowing your actual infotainment system to have some data. To allow this, you have to select the relevant APN. So in the UK, I'm on O2, so I would just select O2 mobile. Once I select that, it will then enable the data connection. From the phone tab, I have access to the keypad, I have access to my calls, messages, and contacts. Other features you have with your phone is if you click on sources, you can now use your Bluetooth as a source. When you click on media, Bluetooth is enabled. I can then go into here, and my son was listening to a story, so that's currently playing on my Spotify. So depending on what you're playing on your device will then reflect onto your screen over here. You also have other sources like jukebox, auxiliary, DAB radio, AM and FM. The jukebox is a internal storage where you can actually use the SD card slots located over here to then input your own music into the car's memory. That way you don't actually have to have any internet connection or anything to listen to the music that you want. To go back to the main menu, simply just click on home and you'll be taken straight back. To lower this, by the way, you just pull down and then it will hold there, and to lift it back up again, just push down on it again and it will close itself.